How many times have you been abroad and seen this happen? Excuse me. Have you got any bread, please?
¿Qué?
Have you got any bread?
¿Qué, señor?
Bara.
Ah, wrth gwrs, señor.
Diolch yn fawr. One word in a different language and it brought us together. Fantastic.
60p, please.
Sorry. Yeah. Learning a language can open many doors.
Shmai.
Dere mewn achan.
Helo, cariad.
As Dewi Sant said, gnewch y pethau bychain. Do the little things, like learn a word a day.
Cwrw!
Qui?
Llew.
Ffedest.
Learning Cymraeg can be fun. Learn it, improve it, use it. Want to try a taster session? Improve your IT skills and practice your spoken and written Welsh? Well, there's a variety of courses to suit all abilities at your local Command HQ. Welsh on a plate. Simples. Dysgu Cymraeg. Piece up. Pop. Diolch. Iechyd da.
Iechyd da.